like addition, series.
There are 4 types of additions.
For example, here, assume that I have a book. Okay, I have a book here related to some Salesforce or related to some Java, related to some any novel also. For that novel, we are having two editions are there. Edition 1, edition 2. Okay, now in edition 1, what they will have, in edition 2, what they will have. In edition 1, they will be having some basic information. In the edition 2, they will be getting some updated information. Some new information will be available over here. Okay, now, so in this case here, when coming to the edition describes a group of new features. Edition describes a group of features which can be accessible by the user. Edition describes a group of features which can be accessible by the user. Now, so what features this user can access that will be indicated by edition? Okay, what features this user can access that will be indicated by the edition? So now tell me here in this case, now tell me this edition is available only for Salesforce or this edition feature is available for any other softwares? In other softwares also, do you have this edition? Can you give me one software name, for example?
Like you gave an example, .NET version 1, version 2.
Versions are different. Versions are different. Now, editions are different here. Version means old versions, newer versions like that here. But edition will be in the same. Like for example, assume that we are having the iPhones. Everybody is aware of iPhone over here. Now we are having that iPhone latest model 14. In 14, do you have any variations inside that? Various models in iPhone 14?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes. In iPhone 14, suppose when you go to a mobile showroom, they will raise a question, what do you want? Okay, I said that I want to buy an iPhone here. Now, what iPhone? iPhone 14. Now, in that iPhone 14, what model you want? Like as iPhone 14, 14 mini, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. Like that, we are having various variants are available here. In iPhone 13 also, we are having all these variants. iPhone 13 also, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 mini, like that. In iPhone 12 also, we have the same variants are available. In iPhone 11 also, we have the same variants available. Like the similar way here also, when coming to that edition, edition describes a group of features which can be accessible by the user. Now, the edition is not only available in Salesforce, this edition features are available for every software also. Like for example, I'm having Windows 7 operating system. Okay, Windows 7 operating system. Most of the people are using Windows 7 operating system nowadays here in our local system. Now tell me, do we have any editions for this Windows 7 operating system?
Windows 8.
Windows 8 means latest version. Okay, that is a version different. In Windows 7 itself, do we have any variations available or not? That means editions available or not?
Like home edition.
Okay, right? No, not
Enterprise
corporate
edition.
edition. No corporate edition.
Enterprise edition.
Hmm.
Basic edition.
Now, so now if you want to make multiple people can access, then we have to go for server editions. Server editions. That will be different. Now, basically as part of this Windows 7, we are having various editions are available. Like Windows 7 Basic Edition. Windows 7 Home Edition. Windows 7 Professional Edition. Windows 7 Enterprise Edition. We have Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. Okay, Ultimate Edition. So now in the Windows 7 operating system itself, we have these many number of editions are available. These are the variants. but all are Windows 7 only. Okay, all are Windows 7 only. But in this Windows 7, we are having various variants are available. These are called as editions. In each edition, it is having some described different features will be available. Okay, in each edition, it will be having some different features will be available over here. Now, like the similar way, as part of Salesforce, also we have various editions are available. Whenever if you want to access the Salesforce features, we have various editions are available. Basically, we have two types of editions are available from Salesforce. First one, paid editions. Second one, free editions. Okay, first one, paid editions. Second one, free editions. Now tell me, what do you mean by paid edition? What do you mean by free edition? Hmm. Now, in this case, paid editions in the sense, in order to access those features, we need to make the payment here. If it is a free edition, we can access on free of cost. Okay. Now, in Salesforce, we have two types of editions are available. First one, paid editions. Second one, we have free edition. Paid editions can be accessible by the users by paying the rental amount to that Salesforce, and the free editions can be accessible by the users on free of cost. Now, then what paid editions are available? What free editions are available? Okay, now let's see. It's a very common question in the entry point of view here. Okay, now just make a note of this one. Editions. Edition describes a group of features can be accessible by the user. Edition describes a group of features can be accessible by the user. Salesforce provides two types of editions as below. First one, paid editions. Second one, free editions. Paid editions in the sense, these features can be accessible by paying the rental amount to Salesforce. These features can be accessible on free of cost. These features can be accessible on free of cost. These are the two types of editions available from Salesforce. Paid, second one, free. Then what paid editions are available? What free editions are available? Okay, now let's see. Now, let me digging into the concept over here. What paid editions are available and what free editions are available in Salesforce? Now let's see practically. As part of paid editions, we have 4 paid editions are available from Salesforce. Salesforce provides 4 paid editions over here. First one, Essential Edition. Second one, Professional Edition. Third one, Enterprise Edition. Fourth one, okay, Unlimited Edition. Okay, these are the 4 editions. Essential Edition, Professional Edition, Enterprise Edition, Unlimited Edition. These are the 4 types of editions are available which are comes under paid. So these are the 4 paid editions are available from Salesforce which we can access by making the payment to Salesforce. By paying the rental amount to Salesforce, we can access these paid editions over here. Now let me digging into each and every paid edition type, what kind of features they will provide in each edition type, what will be the rental cost of each and every edition, I will show you one by one. Now, we have 4 paid editions from Salesforce. Now, first one, Essential Edition. Second one, don't write the remaining three because I will be giving the note point for every part over here, every edition type. Now, second one, professional edition. Third one, enterprise edition. Fourth one, unlimited edition. These are the four paid editions are available. Essential, professional, enterprise, unlimited. Okay, now. So now we'll see each and every feature one by one and what kind of questions are available in the entry point of view, and these editions we'll see one by one. Now, the first one, essential edition here. What do you mean by this essential edition? Now, let's see practically. Basically, essential edition offers the essential features. Essential means what? Basic. Okay, basic, fundamental features here. Okay, now. So now here in this case here, when coming to the essential edition, it offers the basic CRM functionalities to the users through which they can access the customer's data. They can manage the customer's data. In order to manage the customer's data, what are the basic features are required? What are the fundamental features are required? Those features are available as part of this essential edition. The two, this edition has been designed for the small organizations which are having maximum of 10 users inside the organization. Okay, which are having maximum of 10 users, that means 10 employees. If you are having maximum of 10 users inside an organization, then essential edition will be suitable. If you are having more than 10 employees, if you are having more than 10 users inside the organization, this essential edition is not suitable over here. We have to subscribe to next editions over here. Now, this edition can be accessible. Okay, this edition can be accessible. Okay, for maximum of 10 users, not more than that. That is a limitation here. Okay, now, so now it provides only the basic CRM functionalities. That means to manage your sales data, to manage your customers' data, whatever the basic features are required, only those basic features are available here. Now, but here we don't have Force.com platform. No Force.com platform. No Apex programming language. No Visual Force programming language. No custom business logic. No custom user interfaces. What are the ready-made features they have given, we have to use it. That's it. If you want some more additional features, we can't build. No options at all here. It's completely restricted one. Because what are the features they have offered, only those features we can utilize, but we can't build our custom applications. We can't build our own custom business logics. We can't design our own custom user interfaces because it is purely offering CRM functionalities, no platform, no Apex programming, no Visual Force programming, no integrations, nothing. Simply, we can able to access the ready-made features which has been offered by Salesforce as part of this essential edition. So, essential edition offers purely the basic CRM functionalities, okay, which can be used to automate your customers' data. Now, this edition will be suitable only for the organizations which are having maximum of 10 users, not more than that. As part of this edition, we don't have any customizations. No customizations available over here because it's completely restricted one. We don't have any custom functionalities, custom applications, custom features, nothing. Now, in this case, to offer this kind of essential edition, they are going to be charging $25 per month per user license. For each and every user, they're charging $25 per month per user license. Depends upon the number of users wants to access those many number of licenses they have to buy. Okay, suppose inside my organization, if I'm having some 4 employees are available, if all the 4 employees wants to access this edition, then we need 4 licenses. Each license cost will be $25 per month. So we have to pay $100 to Salesforce every month over here. Okay, Salesforce has avoided the piracy concept completely. Previously, IT industry was facing a major issue piracy. The people are purchasing one license copy of that software. They're installing the same software in the hundreds of systems over here. Because of that, the manufacturers, the product-based organizations are facing so many issues because of this piracy here. But now, Salesforce has avoided the piracy by introducing a separate license for each and every user. If anybody wants to access your application, he should be a user. If you want to add a user, he should be a he should have the license. Without the license, we can't add the users. Simple concept here. Now, for example, come to a scenario. Assume that we have a small family. In this family, we have four family members, like as father and the mother, son, and the daughter. Four people are available over here. All the four people know how to drive the car. Okay, all the four people know how to drive the car here. Sometimes father is using the car, sometimes mother is using the car, sometimes son is using the car, sometimes daughter is using the car, but they have only one car, not multiple. Now tell me, how many driving licenses are required? One is not sufficient? No. The
Four
person who
licenses.
is driving the vehicle, the person who is driving the vehicle, okay, that person should have the authorization. That person should have the permission that it will be indicating that he is the right person to drive the vehicle on the road. So each person who is driving that vehicle, so now that person should have that license here. Now, without the license, the people can't drive the vehicle on the road. That license is giving the permission to you that you are an authorized person, that you are the right person to drive the vehicle on this road over here. Like the similar way here also, we are having only one Salesforce account, but the users are four. Each user requires a separate license, so we require four licenses here. Depends upon the number of users wants to access the application, those many number of licenses we should have. Each essential edition license cost is $25 per month per user license. So if you are having four users, we require four licenses, so that we have to pay $100 to Salesforce every month. Suppose if you are having 10 users, we need to pay $250 per month. If you are having 20 users, if I'm having 20 users, this edition will not support here. Okay, this edition will not support, because this edition will be supported for the organizations which are having maximum 10 users, not more than that. Okay, clear? Understood the concept now? Now, make a note of this one. It offers basic CRM functionalities, which can be used to automate the customer's data inside the application. Inside the application. It won't support customizations. It won't support customizations. That is, no force.com platform. That is, no force.com platform. So we can't build your own custom applications. You can't build your own custom business logics. You can't design your own customized user interfaces. Whatever the features they have given to you, just you can use them. That's it. Now, it will be applicable for the small organizations which have maximum of 10 users. 10 users. Now the pricing. The pricing will be $25 per month per user license. Each user license cost is $25 per month. So depends upon the number of users wants to access this application, those many number of licenses we have to buy. So we have to pay that much of amount to Salesforce. Done? Now, let's see. Second one. Done with the points?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Now, let's see the second one. Professional edition. So, what exactly the professional edition and what kind of features professional edition offers and what will be the rental cost of this each professional edition license, we'll see. Basically, professional edition offers the complete CRM functionalities to automate your sales, marketing, service processes. In order to automate your marketing processes, sales processes, and the service processes, whatever the CRM features are required, the complete CRM functionalities will be available to you, okay, as part of this professional edition. But here also, no force.com platform, no customizations, no customizations. So whatever the features given by Salesforce ready-madely, those features we can able to adjust. Those features we can able to customize by using declarative features. Declarative means what? Just by using mouse clicks, by using drag and drop features, we can do that. But we can't build your own custom applications. You can't design your own custom user interfaces. You can't write your own custom business logics. We can't integrate these applications with the third-party systems because it's purely fixed functionalities, and that too we can make it customizable up to some extent, not fully customizable. These are customizable up to some extent only. Through mouse clicks only we can able to customize, but through programming we can't add any more additional enhancements. You can't build any more custom applications because here also we don't have any force.com platform. Okay, now, so now in this case, as part of this professional edition provides the complete CRM functionalities for any team size. Inside your organization, you may be having 5 users, 10 users, 20 users, 50 users, 100 users, 1000 users also, no problem. This edition will support. Okay, this edition is not restricted for any specific user count. This will be applicable for any organization. You may be having any number of users also, so that professional edition will offers the complete CRM functionalities for any team size. You may be having n number of users also. We can make it accessible, but each user should require a license mandatorily here. Okay, now, so in this case, what is the rental cost here? Here they are charging $75 per month per user license. Each professional edition licensing cost is $75 per month per user license here. Okay, understood the concept now? Now, let's see. So now let's make a note of this one. It offers complete CRM functionalities for any team size. It offers complete CRM functionalities for any team size. We can automate all the marketing, sales, and service processes. We can implement the declarative customizations by using mouse clicks. Now, it won't provide the force.com platform. It won't provide the force.com platform to build the custom apps, business logics, and user interfaces. Now, it is not offering any force.com platform, so no programmatical customizations. Purely declarative customizations available as part of this professional edition. Now, the pricing will be each license cost is $75 per month per user license. Each professional edition licensing cost is $75 per month per user license.
Then, sir, then what is the major difference between professional and essential, sir?
Now, essential will be only for 10 users max. Professional will be for any number of users. And the essential will provides only sales application features. Professional will offer all the three: marketing, sales, and the service processes with the declarative customizations. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Next one, enterprise edition. So what exactly the enterprise edition and what kind of features enterprise edition offers? Now let's see. So enterprise edition offers complete CRM functionalities along with Force.com platform also. That means Force.com platform has been introduced from enterprise edition onwards. Okay, Force.com platform has introduced from enterprise edition onwards. Before that enterprise edition, that means whatever the two editions that we have, in these two editions, we don't have the option of Force.com platform. So these are having purely configuration features, no customizations. So here we are having that Force.com platform. Through this Force.com platform, you can able to build your own custom functionalities. You can develop your custom applications. You can build your custom business logics. You can design your own user interfaces. You can integrate the application with the third-party systems. Whatever you want, you can do that. That facility is available from Enterprise Edition onwards. So Enterprise Edition supports the complete CRM functionalities, okay, along with the Force.com platform, so that we can do the customizations also by using Apex programming and Visual Force programming. Okay, now, so in this case, as part of this Enterprise Edition, they are charging $150 per month per user license. Each enterprise edition licensing cost is $150 per month per user license. Okay. Now let's see. Make a note of this one. It offers complete CRM functionalities for any team size and along with the customizations by using Force.com platform. By using Force.com platform. That is, we can build the custom apps, business logics, and user interfaces based on the need. Based on the need. And the pricing is $150 per month per user license. Each enterprise edition licensing cost is $150 per month per user license.
Feroz, what is this declarative customization?
Declarative customizations mean just by using mouse clicks, we can able to customize the features. By using drag and drop features, by using navigations, we can customize. But we can't write any code to do the customization. To do some enhancements, we can't write any program. That is called as declarative. That means simply we can say no coding. Programmatic customization means with coding.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Now, the last paid edition, that is unlimited edition. So now what is this unlimited edition offers? And what is the rental cost of this unlimited edition? Now let's see. Basically, unlimited edition offers the unlimited CRM functionalities and the unlimited CRM customizations and the unlimited support from Salesforce Salesforce.com organization. So we can do unlimited number of customizations also. Whenever we are using this enterprise edition, here we can build the custom applications also, but we can build only 100 custom application inside this enterprise edition. But here in unlimited edition, unlimited number of applications you can develop. One banking application, one finance application, one mortgage application, one insurance application, one pharmaceutical, one like as healthy care, one like as e-commerce, like that n number of applications you can develop by using unlimited edition. The two, if you need any support from Salesforce, you will be getting unlimited support from Salesforce.com on 24/7. Okay, you will be getting that unlimited support from Salesforce.com support team also on 24/7. In Hyderabad also, we are having that Salesforce support team is available. They're having the R&D division is available in Hyderabad as well. So we can contact Salesforce support team. We can get that help also if you require. Now, so unlimited edition offers the unlimited CRM functionalities and the unlimited customizations by using Force.com platform, and then we can build unlimited custom applications. We can develop your own app exchange products also, and then we can able to access these applications, and then we can get that support from Salesforce as well. In order to access this unlimited edition, we have to pay $300 per month per user license. Each unlimited edition licensing cost is $300 per month per user license. Okay. Now, so when you go to the real-time organizations, 99% of the organizations are using unlimited edition. 99% of the organizations are using unlimited edition, because in unlimited edition you are having the facility to create unlimited custom applications also. You will be having unlimited customizations also. You will get the support from Salesforce also on 24/7. That's what here they are going to be using unlimited edition. If anybody asked in the interview point of view, for your current project, what edition of Salesforce that we are using, then what we can say it as unlimited edition. For our current project, we are using unlimited edition of Salesforce over here. Okay, these are the 4 paid editions are available from Salesforce: Essential Edition and the Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited Edition. Okay, clear? Now, make a note of this one. Unlimited edition. It provides unlimited CRM, power, and customizations by using Force.com platform. We can build unlimited number of custom applications. We can build unlimited number of custom applications. and app exchange products and app exchange products. What exactly app exchange we'll see. Okay, in the next section we'll see what is this app exchange, what it contains. It's like as your Play Store. For your mobile, we are having Play Store or App Store. Like the similar way for Salesforce, we are having App Exchange. We'll see what exactly an App Exchange, how it will look like, what it contains, everything we'll see. And then, so we can build the custom logics and user interfaces. And we can get unlimited support from Salesforce.com support team. Now, the pricing will be each unlimited edition licensing cost is $300 per month per user license. Each unlimited edition licensing cost is $300 per month per user license. These are the 4 paid editions are available from Salesforce, where we can access these features by paying the rental amount to Salesforce.
For remaining 3 editions, support team will be not there, sir.
Chargeable. Those are chargeable service.
Firoz, can we use Apex Exchange in Enterprise Edition?
Yes, you can use. App Exchange we can use in Enterprise also.
But not in the first 2, right?
Right. Because we don't have Force.com platform, right? Without the Force.com platform, we can't build our own custom applications.
Thank you.
Now, clear up to this one? Now let's come to that storage space. Since yesterday we are discussing that whenever the customer showed interest to utilize Salesforce services, Salesforce people are going to be reserving some amount of memory space for each customer inside that associated regions available server. Now, how much memory space is allocating by Salesforce? We have 4 paid editions are available. For each edition, how much memory space Salesforce will allocate? Suppose if I'm creating a normal Gmail account, Google people are allocating 15 GB of space to me. In that 15 GB, I can store whatever I want. My emails information also, pictures also, photos also, documents also, audios, videos, everything will be getting resides inside that 15 GB space only here. Okay, so now here also, Salesforce is allocating some amount of memory space for each and every edition. Now, because these are the paid editions here, Salesforce will allocate some memory space also. How much memory space Salesforce will allocate? Now, let's see. Upon allocating the memory space by the Salesforce, they have divided the memory space into 2 categories. They have divided the memory space into 2 categories. First one, data storage. Second one, file storage. Okay, data storage, file storage. What do you mean by data storage? Data in the sense what? Records. Whenever if I'm having a table, inside the table we are storing so many rows, right? Those rows are called as records. Those records are called as a data in Salesforce. Okay, data means records inside the table over here. Whenever if you're storing some records, like as your lead records, your account records, contact records, opportunity records, campaign records, case records, whatever the records you have stored, those records will be occupying the memory space from data storage. Now, upon storing the data, if you're uploading any attachments, if you're adding any attachments also, if you're using any files, like as your images, pictures, attachments, PDF files, Word documents, audio files, video files, anything whatever you are uploading as part of your application development. As part of your application development, whatever the images and the pictures, audios, videos, text documents, Word documents, Excel sheets, PDF files, anything whatever we have uploaded, these will be comes under files. So all these files will be storing inside that file storage space here. We have data storage, we have file storage. All the records will be occupying the memory in the data storage. All the files will be storing inside that file storage space over here. So for each edition, Salesforce is providing data storage, file storage both. Then how much data storage, how much file storage Salesforce allocates? Now let me explain here. Now, storage space, data storage, file storage. Now, if it is an essential edition, okay, if it is an essential edition, for this essential edition, Salesforce provides 10 GB as the data storage, 1 GB as a file storage. Okay, 10 GB data storage, 1 GB file storage here, not more than that. This is the initial memory space allocated by Salesforce. That means totally 11 GB. Now, if this GB, if this memory store has been full, then we can expand that memory space by contacting Salesforce, by making some additional payment. Now, for the essential edition, 10 GB of data storage, 1 GB of file storage. Now, for the remaining 3 editions here, for the remaining 3 editions, 10 GB data storage, 10 GB file storage. Okay, 10 GB data storage, 10 GB file storage. It may be professional, it may be enterprise, it may be unlimited editions also. Salesforce is going to be allocating, okay, 10 GB of data storage, 10 GB of file storage. This is the memory space allocating by Salesforce. So for unlimited edition, 10 GB of data storage and 10 GB of file storage will be allocated by Salesforce. If this 20 GB has been full, then we can contact Salesforce to expand that memory space, depends upon the need.
If I extend my memory in unlimited edition, then chargeable or free?
Yes, we can buy. Yeah, we have to buy. So now whatever the memory space given by Salesforce right now, if this memory space is full, if you want some additional memory space, then we have to contact Salesforce. We can pay some additional amount. We have to buy the additional storage space, maybe any paid edition also. Okay, as part of these paid editions, these are the various, okay, data capacity will be allocating the Salesforce. If you want some more, we can pay the amount, we can expand that memory space as well. Okay, now because these points are very, very important in the interview point of view. Okay, now sometimes in the interview point of view, they will raise a question. So now as part of paid editions, how many paid editions are available here? 4 paid editions, like as essential, professional, enterprise, unlimited. These are the 4 available. Now, my requirement is I want to develop my own custom application. A banking application I want to develop. Okay, I want to develop a banking application to automate all my banking processes data. Now tell me which edition is suitable. What is the minimum edition that suits to my business here?
Enterprise edition,
The minimum edition.
limited edition.
Minimum is enterprise.
Minimum edition is enterprise. Because if you want to develop your own custom application, then what we require? Force.com platform. Force.com platform is available from where? From enterprise edition onwards. So the minimum edition is enterprise edition. If you want to build your own unlimited customizations, then we can go with unlimited edition of Salesforce also. But the minimum edition is enterprise edition that we should have. Okay, now. So the questions will be very, very common in the entry point of view in the architecture level here. Now, next one. As part of this editions, we have 2 free editions are available from Salesforce. Not only the 4 paid editions, we have 2 free editions are also available from Salesforce. First one, a 30 days trial account. 30 days trial account. Second one, a free developer edition. Free developer edition. This is also called as lifetime account. This is also called as lifetime account over here. Simply, we can call it as a developer edition also, whatever. These are the 2 editions are available as free. Not only the paid editions, we have few free editions are also available from Salesforce. Now, so now Salesforce has given these 2 free editions to the customers. So the customers can able to create their own Salesforce accounts by using these 2 free editions. They can access the features. They can have the test of Salesforce features. They can observe what kind of features Salesforce has offered, how to use these features. So once they feel comfortable, they can able to go for that subscription also. Because generally, whenever if you want to buy any product, first of all, we are going for the demo. We're going for a demo piece over here. Even though if you want to buy a mobile, we are going to the mobile showroom, we're checking for a demo piece over here. On the desk inside the mobile showroom, on the desk, they will be having so many demo pieces are available with the various models. Then we can check that demo piece also. We can check that model configuration, prices also, discounts also, everything we can check it out. Based on that, we can take the decision which model you would like to buy. What is your budget? Based on the budget, what are the available models? And then we can choose that here. Here also we can have a test how Salesforce features are look like. I don't want to invest $300 on free. I don't want to invest $300 rupees blindly here. I would like to have a test how Salesforce features look like, how the user interfaces look like here. Now what customizations are available, I would like to check it out. So that in order to have the test of Salesforce features, they have given these 2 free editions to you. First one is the 30 days trial account. Second one, a free developer edition. This is also called as a lifetime account here. Now tell me, what is the difference that you have observed between these 2 here? In the name itself, by looking into the name, what is the difference that you have observed here? The 30 days trial is for limited. Then, for how many days we can access? 30 days. That's it. So 30 days trial account can be accessible only for 30 days. Once the 30 days are over, automatically this account will be getting locked. From there, we can't access anything here. In this 30 days of time, whatever the features we have built, whatever the applications we have created, whatever the user interfaces we have designed, whatever the data that you have stored, the whole data will be lost. We can't get back it again here. There is no chance of activation again. Once the account has been, once the 30 days are over, account will be locking by Salesforce. Whatever the memory space has been allocated, that memory space will be getting erased. That memory space will be allocating to different Salesforce account automatically. Now this free developer edition will be a lifetime account, which can be accessible lifelong also without any expiration date. We don't have any expiration date. We can access this application lifelong as well. And that too, it is having almost equivalent features like as your unlimited edition, but with a different bandwidth. But with a different bandwidth. Different bandwidth means what? Features are a bit less. The features will be available in both the places also over here. But there we can access more, here we can access less. Now, so in this case, how can we create our own free developer edition or a lifetime account? We'll see in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow I will show you how to create our own free developer account here, which will not get expired. We can access this account lifetime also, till whatever the time that you want. Clear? Then how can we create this account? What kind of features it will provide? How to log in into our Salesforce account? What features are available? Everything we will explore in tomorrow's session here. Tomorrow we'll see how can we create our own Salesforce account, and from there we'll see each and every feature one by one, and we'll start with the customizations in the practical sessions here. Okay.
Mr. Feroz, when you have a
Tomorrow we are
laptop
having the
open,
session.
why
Okay.
will anybody
Tomorrow
go
we
for
are having the
a
session as usual here. This weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we don't have the session. Okay, because first weekend we will not be having the session because people are slowly joining the sessions over there. So they will be getting some sufficient time, okay, to feel comfortable. So we are having the session tomorrow as usual, our normal timings. Saturday, Sunday will be the off. From next week onwards, we are having the session from Monday to Saturday. Okay, from second week onwards, completely we are having sessions Monday to Saturday. So please plan accordingly on this. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have one doubt,
Firoz,
sir. Why server numbers are starting with 0, sir?
Now, because Salesforce is maintaining that indexes from 0, because they are going to be indicating that they are following some standards. That's what here they're indicating that server numbers are always starting with the index 0.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, how